Hey there, are you looking for a high-capacity, energy-efficient whole-house dehumidifier that can handle up to 4,500 square feet and comes packed with smart features and more? If the answer is yes, then you are in the right place because today we are unboxing and reviewing the AlorAir Sentinel WHD200, a powerful and versatile commercial-grade dehumidifier that is built to deliver results in even the most demanding spaces. Before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by AlorAir in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So stick around as we explore everything that this dehumidifier has to offer. Right out of the box, the Sentinel WHD200 has a solid, heavy-duty build. It's designed for performance with flexible ducting options and professional-grade components that show it's made for real-world and everyday use, whether in a basement, crawl space, large room, or a full house setup. This unit can remove up to 165 pints of moisture per day, and it's optimized for spaces up to 4,500 square feet. Despite its powerful capabilities, it's engineered to be energy efficient, saving you money on your utility bill while keeping your space dry and comfortable. One of the standout features here is the upgraded fresh air function. With a controllable fresh air dumper system, the WHD200 maintains balanced humidity levels even under tough conditions. Whether it's GPP mode, continuous dehumidification, timer controls, power failure memory, or gravity drainage, this thing is designed for flexibility and control anytime. Moving on, the DIY multiple inlet and outlet design gives you complete customization. You can rotate the airflow in several combinations: forward air, rear air, top inlet, whatever best suits your setup. This makes it ideal for multi-room dehumidification and more complex installations. Another important feature is automatic defrost. Built-in sensors monitor ambient temperature, and when it gets too low, the system kicks into auto-defrost mode. The compressor stops, the fan keeps running, frost thaws, and the unit resumes normal operation, ensuring peak performance and longevity, even in colder environments. And for installation, the WHD200 offers diversified options, can be integrated with other ventilation systems in series or parallel for high-efficiency coverage across larger homes or commercial environments. This kind of adaptability is rare in traditional dehumidifiers, and it is one of the reasons that this model stands out. Last but not least, you are backed by a 5-year limited warranty, and the unit is ETL certified for electrical safety. Every component has gone through 1 million endurance tests to ensure durability, and with 10 times salt resistance and 40 times chlorine resistance built in, so not only are you getting power but also reliability and durability that lasts. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing dehumidifier by AlorAir. I hope you guys found this review useful and helped you decide whether it's the best whole house dehumidifier for you. If you liked the video, Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future video. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and take advantage of this great dehumidifier and all that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.